What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Chainlink and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and it really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We're nearly at 10k subscribers, so please tap that sub button now. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, before we begin, we're just letting you know YouTube is currently censoring our content. Our reach to new viewers is officially a fourth of what it was a month or so ago, so we'd really appreciate if you hit that like. It just lets more people see our content in general. We're almost at 10k subs, so we really appreciate all of your support, truly. Thank you so much as always. We're making videos every day, so make sure to come back and see what's up, because it doesn't seem as though YouTube is going to push our content out to you. So take a look at Chainlink today then. It does look as though we are forming a very nice double bottom here, potentially, from what we can see. Bitcoin obviously got a bounce after it went down to around 28.5k. It's currently back up to around 34k at the time of recording this video. So obviously looks as though it's performing pretty damn well. We can see that Chainlink is horribly oversold right now. Just taking a look at the hourly time frame here, we have actually been basically bouncing quite nicely from what we can tell. As we said for most cryptos over the past few days, it does look as though we are forming this inverse head and shoulders. Wink wink. This could potentially be the shoulder here, with this being the neckline, and we're currently fighting in and around this area to break out of it. So if we did break out of the neckline, do anticipate that we're looking for a nice little pump for Chainlink. That will look something like this potentially. Basically back up to this area here around $21 to $22. So that looks pretty promising for Chainlink. Obviously this is all, this is basically as long as Bitcoin doesn't do anything weird and have some kind of weird FUD attack as we've been having for many days. As you can quite clearly see, Chainlink has been bleeding as well as a result of Bitcoin basically being dragged down by all the FUD that we've been seeing in the market. It's incredible really to see the sheer amount of manipulation that has been happening and the sheer amount of FUD coming against Bitcoin recently. So obviously with Chainlink being Bitcoin leading the market predominantly, Chainlink is going to follow whatever Bitcoin does. So we're obviously seeing Chainlink slowly bleed and form this double bottom from what we can tell here. So it does look as though the worst of it may be over from what we can tell. Bitcoin was extremely oversold, like pretty much every single crypto. If we take a look at Chainlink on the daily time frame here, we can see quite clearly that it is actually forming a very nice bullish divergence, just like most cryptocurrencies we've been looking at. As we can see here, just taking a look at the daily time frame, it does look as though we are forming a bullish divergence, the same way that we've seen with Bitcoin and pretty much every other crypto on the daily time frame right now. Things are looking very oversold. And not just in terms of RSI, because it does look as though the relative strength of the price action is actually weakening. But we're just talking about in terms of the bears are getting very greedy right now. But the momentum to the downside for all cryptos is decreasing. As you can see, we're making higher lows here on our RSI, which tends to suggest that we are looking at a reversal pretty soon. So we just go back to our hourly time frame here so we can see what's been happening. Basically, as you can see, we got this nice little relief rally for Chainlink here a few weeks ago, where basically Bitcoin did have a little rally all the way up to around 41k. But as you can see, obviously with Bitcoin continuing to roll over, we did flip bearish on our EMAs again here. And once this has happened, we've basically been stuck under our EMAs this whole time. Couldn't get above the 20 pretty much the entire time here. We've got this nice relief rally all the way up to around $22 here. But obviously we rolled over again because of Bitcoin basically going down. And obviously when this happens, it drags the whole market with it. So we lost support. So obviously after that happens, it's very likely that we're going to fall back to the previous level of support, which was around down here. And as you can see, we perfectly came down and met that target. Formed this double bottom from what we can tell, at least for now, if I could draw. As you can see, it does look as though we are forming some kind of double bottom. So it looks as though we have been stuck under the EMAs for a long time here. We have actually got this nice little rally though, this little ABC correction off the downside, as you can see there. Currently seems as though we're ranging, bouncing in and around like EMAs, but it does look as though we may be just about to flip bullish on our EMAs. And if this is the case and we can hold them as support, then it would be likely that we're going to see some nice continuation for Chainlink, which would obviously be really good to see. Recently, it's been absolutely smashed down, but we do think in the long term, Chainlink is obviously a top quality project, and we do think it's probably going to do extremely well in the long term. So it's interesting to see what's going to happen soon. Obviously, this is not the kind of price action that we want to be seeing for projects that we like, but if we just take a look at our weekly time frame here, which is usually a good indicator of what's going on in the long term, as you can see, Chainlink is in danger of basically rolling over here and losing its 50 EMA on the weekly time frame, which is usually an indication that we are approaching a bear market. So it's quite clear that Chainlink has been absolutely smashed in general. But obviously it's still early days. This has got another 3 or 4 days to play out, and we are expecting a bounce for Chainlink. And we do need to see it getting back up into this $22, $23 to $25 range here to basically get back out of the state that it's in. But we are predicting that Bitcoin is most likely going to have a decent little run up soon. So it seems quite likely in our opinion that we're probably going to be getting a nice little bounce for most cryptos. And we don't think Chainlink is any exception. So pretty much on every time frame we can see right now, Chainlink is forming bullish divergences all over the place. As you can see, this is a very, very clear bullish divergence here. Obviously higher lows on our RSI, but lower lows on our price action. And as you can see, got this decent little bounce to the upside. So in the short term, we are expecting a reversal for Chainlink sooner rather than later, especially when you look on this daily time frame. We are getting very, very overextended to the downside in our opinion. And we do think the bulls are going to come back into play sooner rather than later with all those stable coins on the sidelines. So nothing too concerning for Chainlink in our opinion. We do look as though we're holding support here, this previous level of support. We haven't rolled over and formed a lower low, which is good to see. So we are expecting potentially a double bottom here and maybe some a relief rally at the least for Chainlink in the next week or so. And then obviously in the long term, we do think Chainlink is a top project. Could easily imagine this being over $1,000 per token in the next few years, especially considering when you look at the value of its actual network. It's hard to imagine that this could happen right now. But obviously you have to keep in mind that with all the speculation that's going on currently, there's a lot of retail investment in the market right now. But when we basically start getting the utility bull run where people start valuing projects for their fundamentals and adoption, Chainlink has some of the strongest fundamentals in the whole space. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.